Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. Today, I'll be helping you learn how you can change your Instagram profile picture. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your Instagram application and tap it open. As soon as you reach to the home page of Instagram, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Edit Profile. To change your profile photo, simply tap on Change Profile Photo right below your profile picture. Now you can either choose a profile picture from your gallery. If you tap on the very first one, you can import it from your Facebook as well. Simply tap on Import from Facebook and you'll be able to upload your profile picture by uploading it from Facebook. If you simply want to remove your profile picture, then simply tap on Remove Profile Picture, and that is a profile picture-less Instagram account. To change your profile picture, simply tap on Edit Profile and tap on Change Profile Photo. Tap on any options you want to choose your photo from. Let me choose this one. Choose the picture you want to upload as your Instagram profile picture. After you find the picture you want to upload, tap on the picture and simply readjust the picture's size like how you want to view it on your profile, and tap on the next button on the upper right. If you want to add filters to your picture, then simply slide between the filters and select the one that you like by tapping on it. After you're done selecting, tap on the next button on the upper right. Wait for some time, and as you can see that I have changed my profile picture on Instagram. To edit your Instagram post, tap open your Instagram application. Go to your profile icon located at the bottom right and tap on the picture that you want to edit. Click on the three dots located at the top right of your post, and after you do that, tap on Edit. Now you can go ahead and edit your caption. If you want to add a location, then simply tap on Add a Location and define the location by searching it and posting it. If you want to edit the text, simply tap on Edit Alt Text and type in the text you want to change. After it is done, tap on the tick mark located at the upper right. If you have mistakenly posted your picture without tagging your friends, then simply tap on your picture and type in who you want to tag. After you're done, simply tap on the tick mark located at the upper right and you will be able to edit the post which you accidentally or mistakenly posted on Instagram. Just like that, you can edit your post on Instagram even after it is done posting. To download Story from Instagram, you'll need to install from the Play Store or your App Store. Download Story Saver for Instagram, download video and photo, and after you are downloaded the app, open it and tap on Login with Instagram to log in with your Instagram ID. Allow access to photos, media, and files on your device by tapping Allow, and soon after you do that, you'll reach to the home page. These are the lists that you are following on Instagram. To download Story, simply tap on Story and you can see the list of the people that you follow on Instagram who have posted this story. Tap on any one of them you want to download the story from and you can see the list of stories they have posted. Tap on any one story that you want to download and tap on the download button that is located on the top right corner of the screen. You can see that you have downloaded the post. Simply tap open the post and this will be downloaded to your device. You can find it in your gallery as well. That is how you can download stories from your favorite contacts if you want with this simple app to your gallery. From the home screen, if you tap on the download button located at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to view the stories you've downloaded on your device. Going live is an excellent way to communicate with your followers in real time. Viewers will be able to type questions into the comment box that you can respond to during your live stream. Now to go live, simply tap open your Instagram application and from the home screen of Instagram, tap on the plus button located at the bottom of the screen. You'll see three options. Either you can post something, you can post on your story, or you can go live by tapping on live. To go live, simply press the circle. That is how you can go live on Instagram. Once you've entered your live stream, it automatically stays on your Instagram story for 24 hours so that if someone has missed your live, then they can view it on your story. It's pretty easy to apply filters on one of your photos or videos on Instagram. Go tap open your Instagram application from your app drawer. Sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, go ahead and take a picture or a video, or simply upload a photo or a video. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus button. Once you reach to your camera screen, go ahead and select a picture from your camera roll, or simply take a picture now or take a video. Once you take a picture or a video, you can simply go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right in order to go through the filters that are available on Instagram. Once you find the filter that you'd like to use, you can go ahead and update your post. You can also use effects on your Instagram by tapping on this icon at the top. Select the effects that you would like to use by choosing from the options displayed below the screen. Once you're done, tap on done at the upper right and go ahead and post your content. The Instagram Reels and features like Instagram Music are only available in some of the regions out there in the world. If you are residing in a certain region that has no features on your Instagram like that whatsoever, you can easily change your location by installing a VPN on your device. Go and tap open your Play Store and search for a free VPN in the search box. From the search result, you can pick any VPN that you want. In my case, I've downloaded the Turbo VPN on my device. You can do the same as well. Once the VPN has been downloaded, simply tap it open and connect to any region that you'd like. Tap on the orange button at the bottom of the page and the VPN will start finding the fastest server and the most possible closest server that you can connect to. Once you've connected, you should see this kind of an interface. Now, you can head over to your Instagram application and find the features that was not available in your region after connecting it to a VPN. As you can see that, my music sticker has now been available since I've changed the region for my Instagram. That is how you can easily change your region on Instagram and access to all of those Instagram features that didn't used to be available in your region easily. Tap open your Instagram application first and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in from your home screen, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner and then tap on the plus button at the upper right corner. To get anime style filter on Instagram, tap on story and from your camera screen, go to the anime girl filter available right here. Let me show you by swiping my front camera and there you go. If you don't find the filter right here, what you can do is go to browse effects and tap it on. From the effect gallery, tap on the search button at the upper right, search for anime filter and tap on try it and you'll be able to find the filter from this page. That is how you can easily find the anime filter on your Instagram and use it as your story. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.